found myself short on cash just right after I married my beautiful wife and having one child. Now, expenses were a lot higher than anticipated, and I found myself quickly strapped for cash just to cover my rent and utilities. I really don't like the idea of going down to the local money store and asking for a loan, but I'm even more concerned about the scams and ripoffs for the online lenders. So the payday store in my local town didn't really have the loan amount that I needed, and they had a lot higher interest rates than I really wanted to pay too. So I did some research online to look for an online lender that could help me out, and I found that 100dayloans.com was really grabbing my attention. They were offering claims on instant approval, no credit check, and it was directly deposited into my bank account, which I couldn't ask for any more. And I did see some negative reviews on there and some scam complaints, so I was a little skeptical at first. But like I said, I really needed the money, and they had some really great interest rates, so I went with them. And further down the line, I did some more research just to come find out that most of those complaints weren't even scam related. They're simply just people that did not read the terms of the loans that they took out, which is a really silly deal. So, I decided to give it a try, and I took out, $900 is what I needed to cover the rest of my rent and utilities that I owed. So I put in my personal information, and I felt pretty darn good about it because it was using a strong internet, security. So I wasn't really worried about that. After I put it all in, I received 8 different lenders offering me, different loan amounts. So they offered me different loan amounts, terms, rates, and fees. So not only did I get offered, 8 different times from, different lenders, but I actually have a wide variety to choose from, to whatever is fitting my lifestyle at the time. So that was really great. I was able to get what I needed, and I felt pretty darn comfortable about it. None of those complaints and scam fears were even justified. Next time that I'm in need, I am more than happy to use 100dayloans.com, for my short-term borrowing.